Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable macros in LibreOffice Calc. It may be a really important function in your projects, so I recommend you to turn on this option. To be honest, I really often use macros in my projects in LibreOffice Calc, so I recommend you to use it too. So if you want to enable it, you need to go to Tools tab on the upper side, and now you can check that in Macros tab you don't have available record macro function. So if you want to enable it, you need to go to Options or use shortcut from your keyboard Alt F12. So I click here, and on default you should see here User Data or LibreOffice Settings. If you don't see these settings, you need to click on the plus icon, and then you need to open Advanced Settings. Here you can find the Java Options Settings, but we are interested in it to move our cursor down, and here you have special option. Enable macro recording may be limited. You need to check this box, and after that you need to click Apply. Now I click OK button, and if you will go to Tools now and you will click on this one tab, you will be able to go to Macros and find here this one option, Record Macro. So if you would like to record macro, you need to select this one option and recording will be started in. But of course you will be able to stop recording by clicking on this one icon. So I click on it, and how you see it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.